I have been challenged by a subscriber to find a solution to a small issue affecting the mighty Traxxas TRX-4. It concerns some of the bearings which sometimes appear to be binding somewhat, inducing accelerated wear on the input shafts of the front portals, for example. My challenge is to find a way to unbind these bearings and make them roll again as they were designed to do in the first place. Two rules apply. No new bearings allowed and no removing the seals. Well, guess what, Rich Lewis? Challenge accepted. What's up everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here. It's good of you to be back. Upon closely inspecting the front portal input shaft, it is indeed quite clear that some of the wear is taking place where the inner bearing race is contacting with the shaft. This is due to two things. First of all, the tolerance in between the two parts is such that some degree of slippage is allowed. Were this a full-size car, the bearing would be pressed onto the shaft. This isn't the case though. Another possible cause is the grease inside the bearing, either that has gone hard or has gone altogether. I slept on it, and this is what I came up with. If you have watched my Traxxas TRX-4 maintenance videos, you'll know that I use Castrol spherol all over the place. Today is no exception. So without renewing the bearing nor removing the bearing seal, here is how to renew the grease inside your Traxxas TRX-4's bearings. I simply fill the portal to the brim with Castrol spherol and slip the input shaft assembly back into place. With the portal completely full and the grease having nowhere to go upon inserting the assembly, the grease is displaced and actually goes through the bearing. First, it pushes out the old grease, which you see here oozing out. Upon further gentle pressing into place, then tightening the three retaining screws and manually spinning the portal, the excess grease within makes its way out, through wherever it can, in this case the bearing. There is so much of it inside that it is somewhat under pressure. It now rolls as free as the air that we breathe. Mission accomplished. Thus is how I renew the grease in the Traxxas TRX-4 bearings. It's as simple as that. Enjoy your free rolling bearings, guys. I had a blast accepting this challenge. I truly hope that you enjoyed watching the result. Make sure to drop a like if you did. If you haven't already, do subscribe for more. And if you truly want to keep this stuff rolling through, you might want to consider supporting me through Patreon. The link is in the description. That's all from me for now. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I'll be catching you all in the next video. Peace out everybody. Goodbye.